My own version ng embutido. Itong mga ingredients. 1 kg ground pork, 1 carrot, 4 eggs, 1½ cup breadcrumbs, 1 bell pepper, 1/2 cup evaporated milk, 1/2 cup grated cheese, raisins, 1/4 cup sweet pickled relish, 1 onion, salt and pepper, hot dog or ham for peeling, hard-boiled eggs for peeling, margarine for greasing. So, habang gumagawa ko ng mixture ng embutido, nagpapainit na rin ako ng tubig para sa pag-steam ko mamaya sa finished product ng embutido. Salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sana'y nag-enjoy kayo.